Hey, what's up, Bittorrent Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the BTT. What's the current price of Bittorrent token? What's going on in this time in the Bittorrent token? My friends, just watch this video and never miss any second of this video, my friends. Keep watch and remember, my friends, remember, if you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. At this time, if you look at the latest price of the Bittorrent token, so the price change occur in the Bittorrent token is 0.003 USD dollar. 0.003 USD dollar is the latest price of BTT token. On the other side, if you look at the BTC price of the Bittorrent token, so the Bitcoin price of Bittorrent token is 0.000008. My friends, the BTC price is very low of the BTT token. Anyways, the market cap, the 24 hours trading volume and available supply, every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. Available supply, total supply, every update, my friends. Just see the price changes of Bittorrent token. You know what's going on in this time in the Bittorrent token? Completely fast down in the BTT token. Oh, that's too bad, my friends. That's too bad. Changes occur in the Bittorrent token. The last 1 hour price change is negative. Last 24 hours price change is negative. Last 1 week price change is negative. Completely fast down occur in the BTT token, my friends. The people are so disappointed by BTT token, but my friends, don't worry. My prediction, my technical analysis tell us, my prediction is that, my friends, that Bitcoin token will take a pump. When will BTT tokens take a pump? In the end of this month. In the end of this month, they will take a huge pump. Remember that. Marks my words, my friends. Marks my words. They will take a huge pump in the end of this month, my friends. That is why I recommend for everyone to please hold Bittorrent token to the last of this month. You are already in the loss, so please hold for a long time, my friends. Maybe the price will pump in the future, my friends. Anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.